All right. I guess I will film this one. This is a 1999 Dodge Dakota 4-wheel drive, V6, 3.9. My brother's first, my little brother's first vehicle. He still does drive it. He's got a nice Camaro. He drives more when the weather's nice. Anyhow, put a motor in this truck 10 years ago maybe, when he first got it. It's been a while ago. Did some work to it, but anyhow, the brakes have been squealing for a while now. He did the front ones, and the front is disc. The rears are drum, and as you can see, well, I sprayed degreaser on it thinking it was brake cleaner, and he just went to the store to grab some more brake cleaner because apparently I'm out. But see how bad the shoes are completely gone on this side. Anyhow, he did get drums, shoes, hardware kit, which normally these ain't never right, but hopefully those are. See how bad they are? Shoo-wee. Took some beating and hammering and some heat to get them off. The driver's side was actually a little bit worse to get off, but the pads are still on there. It's not as bad. The other side really was worn. I guess I realize a lot of people don't do drum brakes anymore. I don't do them as often. Oh no. Looks like that wheel seal's starting to leak a little bit. So that's lame. Alright, when doing drums, always do one side at a time. So you can go back and look at the other side. Clean them up really, really good. And take pictures. A lot of pictures. So you know which spring goes where. I always try to put them back the same way. Which one's on top, which one's on bottom. Clean up the adjusters really well if you didn't get new ones. And take lots of pictures before you take it apart. But yeah, that's what I told.
It might be worse.
Yeah, they're up there. He's already priced them. She knows how much they are too now. Yeah. And I mean, I know before he got it, he was talking about manual transmission swapping, and I was like, oh man. Without a donor car, that shit gets expensive. Like, quickly. I had a couple of these cables. I don't know if I have another one.
Is one broke?
Yeah, that's why this one's didn't wear out, because the cable was broke. they call for? I mean, they're passengers, right?
Yeah, 33. They're good.
Some never sees. Did I leave the other shoe? Oh, there's got to be another shoe somewhere over there. I think I took it over there to take it apart. I got sidetracked on making that cable.
I'm driving the house in this truck because it's been salt and snow like 4 times.
Yeah. Yeah, they definitely put down a lot of salt recently.
They put down so much this year.
Yeah.
I don't see the point of driving in the car when
No, I wouldn't drive a car in this truck.
Well, that first snowstorm, I couldn't even get my car out of the driveway for like 3 weeks if I wanted to. Yeah, it was so bad, like you would just slide. I'd be driving this truck just to slow down, put it in reverse to back in, or just to drive in. You would just hit the brakes and then just go sliding like 5 inches at a full stand.
That is pretty shitty.
Even with bought ass tires, and I had to put it on 4-wheel drive. So.
Well, the backs are pretty good.
I don't think Chris's Ford Ranger's 4-wheel drive.
No, I know the one.
Spinning like a motherfucker.
That red one he drove up in here with the lift kit and shit's not. I mean, it looks cool. It's got like
an
30.
80s, 90s Ford.
No, it was definitely a manual, and it
It had a grandpa cap on it.
yeah, it's like
Yeah, that's
reddish, burgundy.
Yeah, it's one of your drives all the time. Yeah,
I mean, it's a clean looking truck with it's got like 33s on it maybe,
Yeah.
but it's 2-wheel drive.
Yeah, that bend at the end of my road, I saw him wipe out on it when I was coming home from work. Like, I saw him literally take it and slide all the way into the ditch. And I just sat at the stop sign because he was getting out. If he stopped moving, I was going to go over and help him. But he saw me just stop, look at him, and wait till he was good, and then I drove home. He's very smart. But I'm just like, the fucking Ford, when it snows, you just hear him spinning all the way into the driveway. And getting stuck.
Yeah, it's only 2-wheel drive though. Just looks like it's 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, it does.
With the
That's the biggest reason I have 4-wheel drive, right there. Got glass back on or something.
yeah, it's got a sound to it. I mean, it's got a growl to it.
It's got like a lifted, I want to say it's like an F350 with like big block Ford.
Yeah, the gas engine.
Yeah, that's a nice truck. He barely drives it.
So the little thing, the springs break on that, or did the whole
The
thing?
cable broke. The cable was broke in the middle from rubbing. Like I have seen them. The cables break and then fall down and come unhooked. And yeah, I've seen that happen before. Yep, it was just missing the middle piece. But yeah, so normally when they do break like that and they fall down, they make a bunch of noise. That goes on first.
So Layla wants a bug, right?
Huh?
Said Layla wants a punch buggy.
I have no idea what she currently wants.
That's what she kept saying. Have you seen Anthony's green beetle?
No.
He's got a turbo diesel 5-speed beetle. If we could find one of those, that would be fucking awesome.